wall support bracket gives your worktop the added stability to handle extra weight and ensures a safe workspace by reinforcing the worktop to wood studs. Once you've secured your worktop to either a side support tray or worktop support leg and leveled the surface, locate a stud beneath your worktop using a stud finder and mark the edges. Align the wall support bracket with the marked stud and push it flush against the underside of the worktop. Drill two 3/16" pilot holes through the wall support bracket holes into the wood studs. Using 1/4" washers between the bracket and bolt head, screw the 2.5" lag bolts into the stud. Drill 2 pilot holes up through the support bracket holes into the worktop, no more than 1/2 inch deep, and secure the worktop to the bracket using the 5/8" wood screws. Your NewAge worktop is now safely secured to wall studs and is ready for your heavy tools and projects.